Yes, I think photographs are an excellent way to capture and remember special events. They provide a visual record, evoking emotions and memories. Photos can transport us back to specific moments, allowing us to relive experiences. However, it's also important to balance photography with being present in the moment, which I think it helps us preserve memories over time. Yes, written records can definitely help us remember things by putting information down in writing. We can organize our thoughts, keep track on details, refer back to information later, and it reduces reliance on memory alone. Written records can take many forms such as notes, journal, diaries, to-do list, meeting minutes, in which they can especially helpful for remembering tasks and deadlines, recording important events or conversations, tracking progress on changes over time. Both have their advantages. Photographs can evoke strong memories and feelings, then can capture visual details and emotions, wherein it is easy to share with others, unlike in writing them down, will allow for reflection and personal interpretation, can also capture thoughts, feelings, and context, which will provide a tangible record for future reference. Ultimately, it depends on personal preference and the type of moment being recorded. Some people prefer a combination of both. It is a balanced approach that works best. Being aware of past events help us learn and grow, while focusing on future events enable us to plan and prepare. Both perspectives are valuable. Some benefits of focusing on the future includes setting goals and working towards them. The other thing is that we can anticipate challenges and opportunities, making informed decisions. Meanwhile, reflecting on past events can provide valuable lessons and insights, then help us appreciate progress and growth. By considering both past experiences and future possibilities, we can make more informed decisions and live more intentionally.